Welcome back! In today's quick Snapchat guide, I'll show you exactly how to unpin a friend's chat on Snapchat using the updated app layout. If you've pinned someone's conversation before, you probably know it keeps their chat stuck at the top of your screen. That's useful, but sometimes you might want to remove it to keep your chat list clean and organized. The good news is, unpinning a conversation is super simple and only takes a few seconds. Let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings and friend options are located. Next, tap on My Friends. This will open your full friends list, showing everyone you're connected with on Snapchat. Now, scroll through the list and find the friend whose chat you want to unpin. Once you find their name, press and hold on it for a moment. This will bring up a menu with several options related to that friend. From the menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. This is where you can manage how your conversations with that person behave. After that, look for the option labeled Unpin Conversation and tap on it. As soon as you do that, the chat will no longer stay fixed at the top of your chat screen.